So TCP Optimizer is a great free tool to fix your high ping and the latency problem on Windows 10 and 11. And this can be really useful for the people who do any kind of gaming or who have the work related to the good internet connection, lower ping and the lower latency. So in this video guys, I will be sharing the best setting of the TCP Optimizer in 2024 that will be giving you the stable connection along with the lower ping and the latency. Okay, so first what we will do, we'll bring up any of the browser and make a quick test that what kind of a speed as of now we are getting, what kind of ping and the latency we are getting. So bring up any of your browser and look for this website speedtest.net. Hit the enter key. Now before running it, let me show you that I'm connected with the LAN connection here. Here it is. So even if you are connected with the Wi-Fi, you can apply the same tweak and it will be applicable for both the network adapters. Alright, so now if I click on go, so let's see what kind of ping and what kind of latency and what kind of speed we are getting. And I've already optimized this device for the best internet connection. So I'm getting a proper ping and the latency, but on your end probably you will be getting the high ping and the high latency. So overall, right now you can see I'm getting the 7 ping and the latency is 6. That is pretty good now, but I would also recommend you that go ahead and create a restore point in case if the setting doesn't work for you, then you can quickly revert it back. So click on your Windows search, type create a restore point and click on it. Now here from the bottom you will have to click on create. In case if the option is not being highlighted, you can click on configure and turn on the system protection. Okay, so click on create and type here TCP Optimizer settings so that I can remember that why exactly I created this restore point. So click on create and it will take few seconds only and the restore point will be created for this particular date and time. So once it's been done, now you can click on close, click on OK and again bring up any of your browser, open a new tab and in the new tab you have to type speedguide.net/downloads.php. I will leave this link in the description. You need to hit the enter key. And from this website only, we will be downloading the TCP Optimizer because this is the safe platform to download this application, this tool without any kind of malware. So once you come up here, you need to scroll down a bit and you have to click on TCP Optimizer 4. And it's a small file, so it will be quickly downloaded. Now don't directly click on the file here because you will have to run this as an admin or else it will not work properly. So click on this downloaded folder. Right click on the TCP Optimizer, click run as admin, click on yes, and now it will take some time to load up, so you will have to wait. Alright, so once it will be done, now here what you have to do, from the bottom that says choose settings, you will have to select to optimal and then you have to click on apply changes. Now it will list you that what kind of changes it will make, I mean what setting it will change. Once you are done, you will have to click on OK. And it will say some registry changes may require a reboot, so you will have to click on yes. And now let's wait until the computer is being restarted. Okay, so once the computer gets restarted, again bring up the file explorer and go to the download. You will find the TCP Optimizer. Right click on it again, click run as admin, click on yes. Again it will be applying the changes. Alright, now next what you have to do, you need to drag this connection speed to the maximum, that is 100 plus. And then at the very bottom, you will find the choose settings. Now you have to select to custom so that we can apply some kind of changes. Then in the general settings only, you have to look for the network adapter selection. And here you have to choose your adapter that you want to optimize. Like you can go with the wireless or the LAN connection. And below also make sure this modify all network adapter are being checked. The RSC here will be disabled. And then from the top menu option, you will have to click on advanced settings. Now here also all the settings are being applied once we selected this to optimal. But still we have to make sure some of the settings here like network throttling index will be disabled. Then the system responsiveness, you can click on the drop down. And if you especially do the gaming, then you can choose to gaming 0. Then in the gaming tweak, TCP ACK frequency will be selected to disabled. TCP no delay will be enabled 1. TCP del ACK ticks will be disabled 0. Large system cache will be selected to enable 1 and the size will be optimized. That's it. Now you will have to come to the MTU latency, and here you have to find the best MTU. So what you can do, you can click on largest MTU here, and it will automatically ping the server to find out the largest MTU available. Alright, so you will have to wait, and once it will be done, it says you can set your MTU to 1500. So it will let you know that what kind of MTU will be best available. So now if you come to the general settings, here automatically detected 1500, but if it doesn't, then just type the same number that you got from the MTU result here. Alright, so once you are done with all these changes, you're all set now. Go ahead and click on apply changes, click on OK, and make a final restart. Okay, so now we can go ahead and again bring up the browser and check that what kind of speed we are now getting, what kind of ping we are getting. So again, we will bring up the same website and click on go. Okay, and now we can find some difference here, because as I said, I have already applied all the tweak before from my Windows computer, but still you will find that difference over here. I will show you once the result is being completed. Alright, so now we are getting the ping of 5, the latency for downloading 6, and the latency for uploading 6. Okay, now if I bring up the screenshot that I took for the previous test, so here you can see that the ping we were getting was around 7, so it has been reduced to 5. The downloading latency is almost same, and the upload latency has been decreased 1. I mean, that came from 7 to 6. So of course you will be getting the difference now, and even the connection will be stable. As you can see here, the downloading and uploading speed, there is a bit of difference. The downloading is around 42.69, the uploading is around 48. But here, so this kind of difference it will make, guys, and this was the best setting that you can use to optimize your network using the TCP Optimizer. And that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, found this information useful. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.